Hi, my name is Shane and I like to draw things. Every week somebody sends in a new doodle or scribble and I create something clever out of it. Now, no matter how clever or artistic I think I am, it is always good to get other people's opinions. That's why during the show you all are very available to tell me what you see. In this episode, we had one of the viewers really just give the idea so that we can follow through with the project. So I want to thank the Drunk Gamer for supplying some good information throughout the stream to allow us making this piece of art. You want to send in your own doodle, send it to shane@space.glass is my email, or you can follow me on any of the platforms that are on my YouTube channel. Top banner, check them out.